We're going to solve this equation right here. First thing we're going to do is the distributive property. So we're going to multiply 5 times m and 5 times -1. And then on the second equation, remember we're going to be using the distributive property again, and we have a -6 in front here. So it's a -6 times m and a -6 times 3. So multiplying through, we end up with 5m minus 5, -6m, and then a -6 times a +3 gives me a -18. Next step is to combine like terms on the left side. Before we start to add or subtract from side to side, we want to simplify. So I have like terms of 5m and -6m. When I combine them together, I end up with a -m, and then I have -5 and -18. That gives me a -23, and that's going to be equal to 4 minus m. Then I want to get all the terms that have m in them together on one side. So to do that, I'm going to add m to both sides. And when I add m to the left side, they cancel out, and I'm left over with -23. When I add it to the right side, look what happens. The same thing. They cancel out, and I'm left over with 4. So what ended up happening was my variables disappeared, and I'm no longer around. And then I have a statement where -23 equals 4. Is that a true statement or a false statement? Well, it's a false statement. It can't happen. -23 is never going to be equal to 4. So therefore, that means that your solution is no solution. There is no value for m that is going to ever make this equation a true statement.